Hi! Today we're making black sticky rice, or black coconut sweet rice with an optional topping. Start by combining 2 cups of white sticky rice with 1 cup of black sticky rice. Rinse the rice mixture 3 to 4 times, then soak for at least 6 hours or soak overnight. For the optional mung bean topping, rinse 6 ounces of split mung beans. Boil in water over medium heat for 25 to 30 minutes. Strain the beans, combine with sugar and salt, then set aside. Check the packaging of the rice for alternative cooking methods. Today we'll steam the sticky rice in a bamboo steamer for 20 to 30 minutes. While the rice is steaming, heat 1 can of coconut milk with sugar and salt until the sugar has dissolved and the mixture is steamy, but don't let it boil as the coconut milk will curdle. Make sure to toss the sticky rice at least once to ensure even cooking. Transfer the cooked sticky rice into a large bowl. Add in the warm coconut milk mixture and toss until the rice is coated with the coconut mixture. Spread the sticky rice into a dish. Top with the mung bean mixture or topping of choice. Toss 1 cup of grated coconut with a pinch of salt and sprinkle on top with a bit of toasted sesame seeds as well. Enjoy! For the full recipe, notes, and more, visit crumbs.com.